Are you ready to dive into the world of online income in 2024? If you've ever dreamed of making money from the comfort of your own home, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 easy steps that can help you not just earn a little extra cash on the side, but potentially build a full-fledged online business that could change your financial future. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's dabbled in the online space before, these strategies are designed to be accessible and effective. So, let's get started. First up, we need to talk about identifying profitable niches. This is crucial because not every market is created equal. You want to find a niche that not only interests you but also has the potential for profitability. Start by exploring your passions and interests. What do you love? What do you spend your free time researching or talking about? Once you've got a list, it's time to do some market research. Use tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and keyword research tools to see what people are searching for. Look for gaps in the market where you can provide value. Maybe there's a specific aspect of a popular topic that isn't being addressed. This is your opportunity. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that excites you and has a demand. Now that you've identified your niche, let's move on to leveraging digital platforms for maximum reach. In today's digital age, there are countless platforms available to help you connect with your audience. Social media, blogs, YouTube, podcasts, each platform has its unique strengths. Choose the ones that align best with your niche and where your target audience hangs out. For instance, if you're in the beauty niche, Instagram and TikTok might be your best bets. If you're more into education or tutorials, YouTube could be your playground. The key here is consistency. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Regularly posting valuable content will help you build an audience over time. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and create a community around your brand. This engagement is crucial for building trust and loyalty, which will pay off in the long run. Next, let's talk about creating engaging content that attracts followers and customers. Content is king in the online world, and you need to make sure yours stands out. Start by understanding your audience. What are their pain points? What do they want to learn or know more about? Tailor your content to address these needs. Use a mix of formats, videos, blog posts, infographics, and even live streams to keep things fresh and engaging. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Authenticity resonates with people, and they're more likely to connect with you if they feel like they know you. Use storytelling to draw your audience in. Share your experiences, challenges, and successes. This not only makes your content relatable, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Once you've built a following and created engaging content, it's time to monetize your online presence. There are several ways to do this, and the best approach often depends on your niche and audience. Affiliate marketing is a popular option, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This works particularly well if you've built trust with your audience, as they're more likely to take your recommendations seriously. Another option is to create your own products or services. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to physical products. If you have expertise in your niche, consider offering consulting or coaching services. Membership sites and subscription models are also gaining traction, providing a steady stream of income while offering exclusive content to your most loyal followers. Finally, let's discuss the importance of building a sustainable income stream. It's not enough to make a quick buck. You want to create a business that can grow and thrive over time. Diversification is key here. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore multiple income streams within your niche. For example, if you're a content creator, you might earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. This not only protects you from market fluctuations, but also maximizes your earning potential. Additionally, focus on building an email list. This is one of the most valuable assets you can have as an online entrepreneur. Your email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience, promote your products, and drive traffic to your content. As you embark on this journey, remember that success won't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a sustainable online income. Stay committed to learning and adapting. The online landscape is constantly changing, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Stay informed about trends and be willing to pivot your strategies as needed. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether that's through online forums, social media groups, or local meetups. Networking with like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights and encouragement along the way. So, are you ready to transform your financial future in 2024? With these 5 easy steps, identifying profitable niches, leveraging digital platforms, creating engaging content, monetizing your presence, and building sustainable income streams, you have the tools you need to succeed. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take that first step, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. And don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments below. Together, let's unlock your earning potential and make this year your best one yet.